hirap magbasa, magsulat, at kung minsan, baligtad ang tingin sa mundo. Ang kanilang kondisyon, dyslexia. Ayon sa isang pag-aaral, isa sa bawat 7 tao sa mundo, meron nito. Baka hindi lang natin nalalaman. Ang kondisyon ng hirap sa pagbabasa, pagsusulat at pagbibilang, pati na ang pagtingin sa mga bagay-bagay ng
That would be all. For our next discussion, we will be talking about dyslexia, so be sure to have an advanced reading.
Hey, pre, musta?
Gusto rin pre, medyo may naramdaman lang na masama.
Bakit, pre? Anong nangyari?
Pag tumingin ako sa mga words pre, nagrarambol yung mga letters.
Try mo kaya magpa-consult sa kapatid ko. Doktor yan, baka matulungan ka.
Sige pre, salamat.
Yan, pinasa yung contact number. Sana okay ka lang.
RJ, what's the matter?
Ate, can I ask you a favor? Nasa bahay ka ba?
Oh, I'm still at the hospital. There's a lot of schedule kasi. And, yeah, there's a lot of patient.
Ate, pwede mo naman masingit sa schedule mo classmate ko. Meet daw po kayo sa Zoom later. I think there's something wrong with him kasi.
Oh, really? Then, let me check my schedule first.
Okay, ingat.
Take care. Hello, good morning, Mr. Gates. So, I'm Dr. Zari and nabalitaan ko kasi na you need medical assistance. So, I'm here to provide your needs, your proper knowledge. So, are you familiar ba sa dyslexia?
According to Knight in 2018, dyslexia is a learning disorder brought on by a challenging neurodevelopmental condition. New research suggests that dyslexia is inherited and caused by genes. Delayed language development, difficulty understanding, difficulty picking up new vocabulary words, lack of dominance on one side are all early signs of dyslexia. Potential effects includes a loss of interest in learning, low self-esteem, and hopelessness, which is according to Perlstein in 2020. The prevalence of dyslexia has increased recently in the Philippines. Apparently, according to E. Bertelman in 2017, only a very small proportion of dyslexic students complete secondary school or college. This is due to the profound impact dyslexia has on a person's higher cognitive abilities, such as abstract reasoning, planning, organizing, remembering, and attention. People with dyslexia will be able to function normally, just like everyone else, thanks to Neuralink, and their condition won't hold them back from success. The ability to address health issues is one benefit of placing a chip in our brains.
You can visit Dr. Eduarte if you have further questions about.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ogates. I'm Dr. Kayshalyn Eduarte from Neurosurgery Department. Pleased to meet you. I heard your condition from Dr. Gabica and I want to help you with that. So you've heard that there's still no cure for dyslexia. As of now, we only do treatments and intervention to help people that have the same condition as you. But today, I have a proposal to make. Have you heard about artificial intelligence?
One of the nature's most enigmatic biological structures is the human brain. Clinical evaluations, diagnostics, and treatment capacities have enhanced thanks to the neuroscience research, technology, and innovation advances. With artificial intelligence, machine can automatically learn a task from experience and enhance performance. The ability of devices to detect and understand human speech is a topic of study in this branch of artificial intelligence. Natural language processing encompasses a variety of disciplines, including recognition, translation, and generation. Despite this, there is still much to learn in this area and its challenges.
On the other hand, it is a promising idea since it holds so many possibilities for the future of humanity. One could worry that because these neurotechnologies are so expensive, they will be only available to the wealthiest individuals. In this situation, it is unclear if we would have a favorable opinion of the Neuralink project. This is because the project's intended outcome is unlikely to be the co-evolution of human biology and technology, but rather the latter's dominance over the former.
Neuralink, a neurotechnology company owned by well-known billionaire Elon Musk, is advancing the study of neuroscience and neuroengineering. Elon Musk reveals plans to create an interface between human brain tissue and artificial processors. He opted for the name Neuralink. The term Neuralink was inspired by a science fiction author, Iain M. Banks, in his The Culture series. In this novel, a Neuralink is an ultra-thin mesh that will be implanted inside the skull and form a body of electrodes capable of monitoring the function of the human brain.
In 2017, Elon Musk unveiled their first wireless N1 chip that is in the size of a penny and made up of tiny probes that will be put into a human's brain. Neuralink claims that its technology could aid people with spinal or neurological disorder by allowing them to operate computer devices with their mind. With the N1 chip, a dyslexic person would not be experiencing difficulties in reading, spelling, writing, and speaking anymore, since they can clearly express their thoughts using their own device.
There is currently no knowledge on how to cure dyslexia, but physicians have discovered a means to manage it. In the 1960s, monkeys were used to make the first attempts to convert neural activity into commands to operate external devices. The biological feedback was then established in monkeys between 1960 and 1970, allowing for voluntary regulation of cortical neural firing rates. Only in the early 1970s did the term brain-computer interface appear. With the help of Neuralink, people with dyslexia will be able to function correctly just like ordinary people, and their disability will no longer hinder them to success. One advantage of implanting chip in their mind is the capacity to address health conditions.